Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll talk about Realme X9 Pro price, specifications, service. Again said to be similar to Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus. So friends, before starting this video, I'd like to request whoever are visiting this channel first time, please go and press on subscribe and go and click on bell icon for getting latest technology videos. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, this was posted by Gajmeet Singh, updated on 14th of June 2021. So let's see the highlights. Highlights is Realme X9 Pro price and specification surfaced on Vivo. The Realme phone could be similar to Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus. Realme X9 Pro may have up to 256 GB of onboard storage. Realme X9 Pro may launch as the sensor of the Realme X7 Pro soon. Realme X9 Pro price and specifications have surfaced online against the new Realme phone is removed to debut alongside the Realme X9 and come as the sensor to the Realme X7 Pro that debuted in February. The Realme X9 Pro is said to have a 90Hz Super AMOLED display, Snapdragon 870 SoC. It is also removed to have a triple rear camera setup. Additionally, the Realme X9 Pro is tipped to be similar to the Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus that was launched in China late last month. A Chinese chipset has leaked the pricing and specification of the Realme X9 Pro on Vivo. The chipset also mentioned that the new smartphone will have some of the Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus specifications. The major difference between the two models would, however, include a telephoto camera and optical image stabilization (OIS) that both may just be limited to the Oppo phone. Realme X9 Pro price. Expected Realme X9 Pro price will be start roughly rupees 30,800 for the 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and roughly rupees 34,300 for the 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB variant. According to the chipset, the report pricing is slightly different from the what was reported last week. The Realme X9 Pro is removed to come with a model number RMX 3366 that surfaced on Tena earlier this month. The Tena listing also suggested that the smartphone would run on Android 11 and measure 159.9 into 72.5x 8 mm. Realme X9 Pro. Let's see the display. 6.55 inches will be the display. Processor is going to get Snapdragon 870. Front camera will be around 32 megapixel. Rear camera 108 megapixel, 13 megapixel, 13 megapixel. RAM 12 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. Battery capacity 4500 mAh. OS Android 11. This is the Realme X9 Pro first front look. And here are the Realme X9 Pro specification. Let's read the specification. Snapdragon 870 octa-core, 3.2 Hz single core plus 2.42 Hz triple core plus 1.8 Hz quad core, 8 GB RAM. Display will be around 6.55 inches, 16.64 centimeters OLED, 1080 into 2400 pixel, 402 ppi, 90Hz refresh rate, bezel-less with punch hole display. Rear camera triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel micro camera, and 1 LED flash. And front camera, you mean this thing, selfie camera also you can call, 32 megapixel. Battery will get 4500 mAh battery and 65-volt fast charging USB type C port will get. And here the general, here you will going to get SIM 1 nano and SIM 2 nano. You won't get micro SD card support in this SIM slot. 128 GB internal storage non-expandable. Realme X9 Pro price in India is expected to be rupees 24,999. Realme X9 Pro expected to be launched on August 2021. This is 8 GB RAM, 120 GB internal storage based variant of Realme X9, which is expected to available in black gold color. Expected price 24,999. Release date August 11th 2021. Unofficial variant 8 GB RAM, 120 GB internal storage. Phone status removed. Summary: buy for OLED interface, triple cameras on their rear side, 32 megapixel front selfie camera, grade 8 GB RAM, powerful battery with 65-volt fast charger. And here are some big listings. You can take a screenshot and you all can read this, okay? And here is the Realme X9 Pro first and look. And I think this can be very similar to Realme X7 also. It looks like that only. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. By the way, on Instagram, please go and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I update some my Instagram also, anything. So please friends, please follow me on Instagram. Please go and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press on the bell icon for the latest technology videos.